Bring it back.
Good morning, Panthers. Welcome to WPNN. My name is Francie.
And my name is Nora. It's an amazing day to be a Panther.
Do you want some new Heritage High clothes to wear? Our basketball team is offering a holiday team shop to purchase Heritage wear from.
They have over 50 items in the shop and some holiday Heritage team gear as well. This shop is open for the next 7 days in order to get your orders shipped to you by the holidays.
Use the following link to order.
Are you interested in basketball cheer? Trials will be this Friday, November 17th in the cheer room after school.
You must have your sport physical evaluation paperwork to try out. If you have any questions, contact wilfield.felicia@brevardschools.org.
Students, did you know that Heritage has a Black Student Union Club, or BSU? All are welcome, and if you are interested in finding out what it is all about, BSU meets today at 3:45 in room 6101 with Ms. Sharp.
Good luck to our girls soccer team as they host Melbourne High here at Heritage.
Junior varsity plays at 5:30 and varsity plays at 7 p.m.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue!